ko Tina Joseph tuku ingoa, no konei no Wairau. Ahau. I had a wicked childhood. I was brought up in that house over there and over here. My mother was whārangi with Michael. My grandmother was the only grandmother I knew. My grandfather, he was Kupa Stafford, and he just lived for Ngāti Rārua. He was a quiet man, he was a humble man, and my grandmother was the boss. She just taught me how to be a lady because I was so rough. Things like going out onto the mara, you know, when you're at the wrong time of the month, and don't go swimming. A lot of my aunties didn't Korero. I don't remember many people called, not only in my grandparents' age, they would Korero Māori, but Kapahaka was strong down here. My grandmother, she was from Picton, but she taught me how to manaaki people, and she brought my mother up like that, so it was passed down, and we were never allowed to sit around. We had to always manaaki and ask people if they wanted something and that. I grew up with all my cousins, all my Stafford cousins and my McDonald cousins, but mostly I spent my time up here with Granddad Stafford and Grandma Jo. They were always working at a marae. Granddad would always go down the marae, down to Wairau. He just lived for it. He was always at Auntie Darky's. They were always having hui, and Auntie Molly and that, they were always having hui, and unbeknown to me it was to get this place going. And as they did it, they finally did it, and it was lovely here, it was beautiful here. And now they've done it again, and it's more beautiful. Granddad, he just always spoke about Ngāti Rārua. They would be talking about something to do with the marae or some person. When I grew up, he still tried to tell me, you know, my line and everything, and I did listen, but still didn't take it in till I got a lot older, and now that I'm really old, right, you know, I missed all those years. And I was just saying to Cousin Dean, did you listen to Granddad? And he went, I said, me neither, I never listened. Everyone down here was one. Even though there were the three iwis here, we were just all one people.
And what do you see today?
A divide in the whānau, that's mainly what I see, but if you belong, you belong.